Ndugu wa watazamaji, karibuni kwenye Mifa TV. Mnaweza kusubscribe kwenye channel yetu ya YouTube, na pia mnaweza kufollow kwenye mitandao tofauti ikiwemo Instagram na TikTok pia, ambako tunatumia jina hiyo ya Mifa TV. Na siku ya leo niko na jamaa wangu hapa, atakwenda kujitambulisha mwenyewe, tutamjua kwa majina yake. Na pia wenda unaweza kuwa ni sura yake sio ngeni sana machoni pako, ila tutakwenda tumsikie. Bro, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, bro.
How is everything, my brother?
Everything is going good.
So, what's your name?
Wahala.
What does it mean?
Wahala is just a simple name. It means problem.
So, do you mean that today I'm with Mr. Problem?
I guess, because if you misbehave, you get problem.
Okay, kama mnavyomsikia, majina yake anaitwa Wahala, ila sidhani kama jina lake la kweli. Hivi bro, what's your real name, man?
Bro, why do you want to know my government name?
Damn. Usikute ni devu fulani veza as Central C, but bro, tunataka tujue jina lako, yani jina lako ambalo ulipewa na wazazi wako.
My mom, everybody calls me Wahala. But my mom calls me her boy, you know, mama's boy. So yeah.
Okay. So unamaanisha huna jina lingine?
Bro, I might have another name, but I don't think it's the right time to know it, right?
Yeah. Watazamaji wetu wa Mifa TV, maybe wangetaka kujua.
They'll find in comment.
Jesus name. Okay, so where are you from, bro?
Uganda.
Okay, so can you speak Swahili, right? Or do you only speak English in Uganda?
I speak Swahili, but it's not that like deep as you know as your Swahili, right? Because my Swahili is like this local one that I speak. I learned in school.
Okay, can you speak Luganda?
Yeah, I do.
What's Njagala Kuban? What's this?
Njagala Kuba.
Njagala Kubana where? What does it mean?
I wanna be with you.
Just no. I'm just joking.
Not me though. That's a song. That song. You know,
okay, I didn't know. But you know, Harmonize aliwahi kuimba kwenye ngoma yake fulani hivi, sio akaimba hiyo same. Ila bro, ni maneno gani ya Kiswahili unajua?
Then bro, like habari.
Yeah.
Umejifunga mwenyewe. Shout out to Innocent Kakoko, that was his favorite one. So
okay.
Yeah. Joe, you know. Then there's this one deep one, bro.
Which one?
Like I always say like MK, you know.
What does it mean?
Bro, you know it, bro.
No, I don't know, bro. What's MK, bro?
No, bro. Like I don't need to say it, you know, because it's that good word. Yeah, it has a deep meaning.
So you can speak Swahili? Is that what you mean?
I can't speak Swahili. I told you before, right? But okay. Not that original Swahili.
Okay, can we speak Swahili?
Let's try. I'll try.
Okay. Hapa mjini sasa hivi skendo zilizopo ni kuhusu industry hapa Sweden. Hivi kuna msanii gani ambao unamkubali sana hapa Sweden? Yaani ule ambao unasema huyu hapa anaweza kutu represent kama vile msanii wetu.
That's right question, but okay. I don't understand your grammar. That like there's a lot of grammar.
Bro, I know you are joking.
I'm not joking, bro.
So you can speak Swahili?
I speak Swahili, but it's not that deep. I told you, right? Your Swahili is like, real, bro. It's deep.
Bro, I know you are from Uganda, and Uganda is East Africa, bro.
I know, but not everybody in East Africa speaks Swahili. Yeah, I know a lot of artists in Sweden, you know. I know Lily Q. I know King Machine. I know Scott Jacobs.
Okay.
I know Omario Fireboys.
Okay.
I know Eritiano.
Wow.
I know Sweden Boy.
Okay.
I think there are a lot of artists. I can't mention them name by name, but you know, those are like, let's say the local ones. I know those are African artists, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you, bro.
You know, there are those top names that everybody knows.
Who are you going to choose?
Bro, like when it comes to music, you know,
Huh?
we have different type of music we enjoy, and we follow melodies and lyrics. But I think everybody's doing well in the industry.
Who is your favorite?
Oh, my
Bro, wait. We are talking about Sweden.
Okay.
Can you tell us who is your favorite? They're watching.
Among the artists I mentioned,
Yeah. That's what we are talking about.
bro, like I listen to everybody. I
Bro,
listen.
hey, wait, bro. Don't lie. They are watching.
Yeah, you know.
Tell us who is your favorite artist.
Right now, I cannot choose who's my favorite because I can say everybody's doing well.
Bro, I know many of them are your friends.
Okay.
Am I lying?
Nope.
Okay. Kuna Skendo. You know Skendo, bro?
Nope.
Fununu. I mean, yani za ndani kabisa. Kuna demu natoka naye anaishi Gothenburg.
What you mean, bro? I don't understand. I just understand Gothenburg. I didn't, like,
Bro, you are dating a girl from Gothenburg.
who's that?
Is that true?
Who's that?
I don't want to say the name, but I think you know.
Bro, come on.
But you know what I'm talking about.
Bro, I might be knowing somebody else. Like, you know, maybe I know another guy, another person. So you need to be specific. Who are we talking about?
Sidhani kama ni vizuri kutaja jina lake, ila kuna jinsi watu wanaona sijui kwenye mitandao ya kijamii kama vile TikTok, Instagram, na kwa mnapostiana sijui commentiana.
Bro, I don't have Instagram, you know. I've been off from Instagram almost 3 months. So I don't know what's going on there, to be honest.
Okay. Na wasiojua unaishi wapi, unaweza kuambia kwa Kiswahili sasa, unaishi sehemu gani hapa Sweden?
Naishi Stockholm.
Kumbe Kiswahili unakijua afu unakuwa unatuchora mwanangu, au si?
Nah.
Hivi nyumbani kwenu waga mnaongea lugha gani?
Kwetu tunaongea a lot of language, bro. Tunaongea Swahili, no Swahili, like I told you we speak.
Bro.
Listen to me. We speak that local Swahili because you know
Which one?
this one, the Swahili from Uganda. Then we speak my mother tongue. Yeah, that's Lutoro.
What?
Lutoro.
Can you say hey in Lutoro?
You don't know how to say hey in Lutoro. Hey is hey in every language.
Really?
Yeah.
But no in Swahili.
We have words like wasibirota. And then you say kurunji. That's
Okay,
like,
tell them wasibirota.
yeah, wasibirota. That's like,
Okay,
you know,
tell them to subscribe in your language.
next time.
What do you mean, bro?
Because I don't think everybody speaks Lutoro listen to this. So I think it's better we use English here. That's international language.
Okay, so tell them that you love them.
Which language?
Yeah, in your language.
In my language.
Yeah.
I love you guys.
Is that your language? Oyo. Huyu jamaa kweli kweli ni Mr. Problem, na hii sio mara yangu ya kwanza kukutana naye, waga tunakutana mara kwa mara, na ni jamaa ambaye tunazoeana sana, na hisi Kiswahili kinampiga chenga, ndio maana amechagua Kiingereza. But na mimi Kiingereza sio nyumbani kwangu mwanangu, yani kichwani hakikai hata kidogo. Yani kama ni kodi basi kodi yenyewe ishaisha Kiingereza. Wahala.
Yes, sir.
Hivi wewe ndio ungekuwa unagawa tunzo. You know tunzo, right? Award.
Yeah.
So ungempatia msanii gani wa hapa? Aiza ungeambiwa uchague mtu mmoja maarufu wa hapa, ungempatia mtu gani?
No, be specific. When you say artist, like, I mean, do you talk about all Sweden or Europe, or like maybe just this local artist that's
Local artist.
or local artist? That's good. But you know, I listen to Jacob Scott, right?
Jacob Scott.
That guy is doing well.
Jacobson Scott.
Yeah, Jacob Scott. Yeah, I think he knows. So he's doing well. I think he has a good songs, good lyrics. You know, like I listened to that song with him called "Fall." You know, I vibed it. Then King Machine, shout out. He's doing good too. Sweden boy, you know, my Casanova. That's what you understand.
Wait, is that your favorite?
I cannot say it's my favorite. I cannot say my favorite, but that's a song like, you know, when it came out, it was like, let's say it was hit. among Swahili nation because everybody was jamming to it, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. So when it comes to awards, I think currently, I cannot give out awards to anybody.
Okay, but let's say from January to March.
January to March. Bro, you cannot just give awards in 2 months. You do it like 365 days, bro, to give award. Get out of here, man.
So, ni kitu gani ambacho unakifanya? Kwa maana watu labda wangetaka kujua wewe ni influencer tu, aidha ni msanii, aidha ni kitu gani unajishughulisha nacho?
Bro, I think everybody is struggling. Remember, like, everybody is struggling in Sweden, right? Currently, like, I've seen a lot of girls, boys on TikTok struggling to get fame, on IG to get fame, on Snapchat to get fame. But I think we're all in that way of struggling to get fame. But not through, maybe my way is not through being artist, you know. That's not my way. Because you can't, like, maybe I think I don't have talent of singing.
Okay.
But I know how sweet the music is, but let's say I'm also on the list of those people who are struggling to get fame.
My brother.
I got you, man.
Okay, so tuseme labda kwa watu maarufu ungetamani uwe kama mtu gani vile?
Myself? Mimi mwenyewe.
Kuna skendo ambazo zinakuwa sana mjini kwa wahala. Bro, chill.
I'm listening. It's okay.
Chill out, bro.
Right?
Wanasema kuwa wahala ni mtu ambaye anapenda sana wanawake. Na wanaotufuatilia pia wangetaka wajue kwa maana inasemekana kuwa kwenye kila Instagram ya dem, aidha kwenye kila snap ya dem ushawahi kutinga na kuchati naye. Hivi ni kweli au?
Do you have evidence?
No, bro. Nasikia tu watu wakisema kitu kama.
Are these your own words or what you hear?
Do you have a girlfriend?
Bro, I didn't expect that kind of question from you.
Tell them about your relationship.
My relationship.
Yeah.
I think my relationship, I have this happiness I live in. That's by trusting myself, loving, caring about myself.
Okay.
Yeah. Doing what makes me happy. That thing, bro, that's deep, man.
Why, bro?
Dating. Maybe I give you my phone and you go through and see if I'm dating somebody.
What do you mean?
My phone will show everything, whether I'm in a relationship or not.
Okay, so it's okay, bro. It's okay, man. Thank you for your time, my brother. So, can you tell them something about Mifa TV?
Mifa TV.
Yeah,
Mifa TV is one of best upcoming TV channel, and it's doing well on IG. You can go there to follow Mifa TV, TikTok Mifa TV, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, to share with your lovely people. And even if you don't do those stuffs, tag, do everything so that we can go forward. You know, when Mifa TV makes it, na utafanikiwa. And don't forget, type shit.
Okay, waambie kwa heri kwa Kiswahili.
You just said it, bro.
Bro, wanataka wasikie kutoka kwako.
All right, I goes by Wahala 017. Don't ask me those three numbers. So
Okay.
Instagram Wahala 017, Snapchat Wahala 017, TikTok Wahala 017. Make me star, I make you star.
Asante sana Mr. Wahala. Ndugu watazamaji, asante sana kwa muda wenu, na nilikuwa na Wahala kama mlivyomsikia, ni mtu mpenda matatizo sana. Sitaki kumlaumu kwa hilo, but asante kwa muda wenu. Mnaweza kusubscribe kwenye channel yetu hapa ya Mifa TV, kulike na kushare pia. Pia mnaweza kutufuatilia kwenye mitandao ya kijamii kama vile Instagram tunatumia Mifa TV, TikTok pia tunatumia Mifa TV. Asante. Mtangazaji wako ni William Ebi Sampewi Latan aka Money Magnet Baba Sita. Chiru!